1, 2, 3, 4.
We have here one of the regulars at the Big Bird Run, and she's a regular at a lot of races. Right. It's Cora Hill?
Correct. Yeah. That's correct. That's me.
What brings you back to this one?
I love this race because it gets me ready for the winter. I can still run in the winter and still get a good workout.
I see.
All right. We are here with two guys who are important to the Big Bird race. On my left is Russell Lafarge, is that right?
Yes.
And you were one of the founders of this race.
Yes.
And over here on this side is Daryl McKee, who is also important because he's run most of them, including the first one. Right?
Yes, I did. I ran the first one.
And you also ran the first one.
Yes. First, both of us ran the first and second one, and there's a reason. Well, we'll tell you about it when why. No, okay, I'll tell you right now. Back then,
40 years ago.
Yeah, for the first and second race, there was only one prize, and the prize was for the first person who crossed the finish line. Mm-hmm. And the prize was a live turkey.
A live turkey?
Yes. And, Daryl knows, too, in the second year, the prize was a live turkey, but before we could give the award out, the turkey escaped.
Here we go. You introduce everybody here.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mayor Robert Taylor from the City of Roseville. This is County Commissioner Harold Hall, newly elected to the position. We'd like to welcome everybody to the 40th annual Big Bird Run here in Roseville. It's a great day, sunny out. little chilly, but it's a great event for everyone.
The 40th. Did you know you're getting into?
40th, and we've been at every one.
Everyone. All
We've
right.
been at this spot for 25 years. Dangerous spot in the city to try to get through for the race. We got it covered.
Thanks, fellas.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
Ready, go.